This is not just a smartphone. This is Google's vision, packed into glass and metal. When the Pixel 6 Pro was introduced, it didn't come to follow trends. It came to create its own path. With a brand new Tensor chip, pure Android, and Google's intelligence at its core, this phone promised a different kind of experience. And today we're going to talk about what that experience really feels like. The moment you look at the Pixel 6 Pro, it stands out. The camera bar across the back is bold, unique, and instantly recognizable. You don't confuse this phone with anything else. On the front, you get a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate that makes everything feel smooth and alive. Scrolling feels effortless. Videos look rich and detailed, and everyday use feels premium. This is a display you enjoy looking at every single day. This is where the Pixel 6 Pro becomes different. The Tensor chip is not just about speed. It's about intelligence. It powers real-time voice typing, smart photo processing, and AI features that actually make sense in daily life. The phone doesn't just react, it understands. It learns how you use it and adapts to you. Fast? Yes. But more importantly, smart out on paper, the camera specs are impressive. A 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel telephoto with up to 4x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. But what really matters is what Google does with them. Photos look natural. Skin tones are realistic. Low-light shots are clean and detailed. Features like night sight, magic eraser, and real tone turn moments into memories without effort. This is a camera you can trust in everyday use. The Pixel 6 Pro feels solid and reliable. Apps open smoothly. Multitasking feels comfortable, and the experience stays consistent throughout the day. The battery is designed to last through normal use. And adaptive battery management helps extend screen time when you need it most. It's a phone built for real life, not just benchmarks, running pure Android. The Pixel 6 Pro delivers a clean, smooth, and distraction-free experience. No unnecessary apps, no heavy skins, just Android the way Google intended it. And with regular updates and security patches, this phone stays relevant longer than most. The Pixel 6 Pro is not perfect, but it is thoughtful. It focuses on intelligence, user experience, and long-term value. It's a phone for people who care about smart features, great cameras, and a clean Android experience. And that's what makes it special. Imagine starting your day with a Pixel 6 Pro in hand. Your morning alarm is sharp, your calendar notifications are clear, and your favorite news app opens instantly. Every interaction feels thoughtful. Unlocking the phone with face recognition feels like it knows you're ready to start your day. Scrolling through your favorite apps feels smooth, almost effortless, thanks to the 120Hz display. This isn't just speed, it's fluidity that makes life feel easier. Watching videos on the Pixel 6 Pro feels cinematic. From YouTube to Netflix, HDR content pops with vivid colors and deep contrast. The audio complements the display with immersive stereo sound that pulls you in. Gaming? The Tensor chip ensures lag-free, smooth gameplay, even for graphics-heavy games. It's not just a phone, it's a portable entertainment hub. Let's dive deeper into the camera. The Pixel 6 Pro doesn't just capture images, it captures stories. A sunset? Night sight turns it into a glowing memory. A crowded street? Magic eraser removes distractions instantly. Selfies? Real tone ensures your skin looks natural and true to life. It's more than technology, it's art in your hands. Pixel 6 Pro keeps your data safe with Google's advanced security. Face unlock, fingerprint sensor, and built-in security updates give you peace of mind. Your personal information isn't just protected, it's actively safeguarded. Whether you're checking emails, drafting messages, or making a quick note, Pixel 6 Pro's AI features make every task easier. Voice typing, smart suggestions, and predictive text save time without you even thinking about it. It's not just a phone, it's a personal assistant that grows smarter with you. The Pixel 6 Pro is more than specs and numbers. It's a combination of intelligence, design, and user experience. It's the phone that makes your day smoother, your photos more vivid, and your life a little smarter. It doesn't just fit into your life, it enhances it beautifully and effortlessly.